Hey guys, it's me, Big Mass Test 230 here, and today I am here with the Hart 6-gallon 5 peak horsepower shop vac. This is model V0C608S3703. It is 120 volt, 6 hertz, 8 amp, and if you're looking for the bags for it, here they are. They make them all the way up until 10 gallon. So you're going to need the ones with the universal fit. They make, this is for the ones, if it's Hart, Hyper Tough, Shop Vac, Vac Master, and those. This is for general debris and pickup. They make ones for fine dust and other stuff. They make different grade of these bags. These are just the universal standard ones. And when you open them up, open up the bag, they are a very large bag. They can hold up to 4 gallons of dirt. Now, to install the bag, you're going to need to open up your shop vac. So if you have a Hart, you're going to, most of these shop vacs have this locking setup. So you're going to push in on each side on these tabs. Lift the motor unit up. Move it over. Now, this may be kind of hard for me to show you because I don't have a camera stand. Okay, and once you get the bag in the shop vac, it should look like this right now. So then you're going to pick up the bag, you're going to take the hole, you're going to push it over the support tube. It has this little bump right here. You see that? You're going to want to make sure your bag, this seal, this gasket right here, you push it on and make sure it is securely on there. You should feel it push over that bump. You should be able to push on the top of the bag right here. And you see that groove right there where my finger is? You know the bag is securely on. And you should also be able to move it, and it shouldn't want to freely fall off. So that is your bag fitted inside your shop vac. Now you're going to take your motor unit, and you're simply just going to place it back on top of it. And when you take your machine and you plug it in to the outlet, and you turn it on, it is now fitted with a bag. Very simple, easy to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.